Network Rail engineers are working on a mammoth project to stabilise land alongside the East Coast Main Line, one of the largest projects of its kind. Brownie Curve, near Durham, is an active landslip, and teams are installing hundreds of piles to keep the railway above safe.
We're here at Brownie Curve. We are installing piles to stabilise the embankment here. Each pile is somewhere between 18 and 25 metres in depth, and we're installing over 500 of them.
Huge piles are transported from the bottom of the site to a welding area, where 3 are joined together by specialist teams. They are then craned across the site and installed into the ground.
So we've actually installed our 400th pile over the last month. We've actually achieved really good outputs. We've been working overnight whilst managing our relationships with our stakeholders and our line-side neighbours.
Installing the 400th pile means that work is now more than 75% complete. Once finished, the land will be regraded and wildflowers planted.
So we started on site back in September 23. We've continued all the way through now. We will continue piling for the next couple of months. We finished around about October time, then we'll be continuing the regrade and we'll be off site in about April 25.
Around 200 trains per day travel through the area. The project is being carried out with no closures of the East Coast Main Line and no disruption to passengers.
We want to protect the railway for the future, prevent any likelihood of any speed restrictions affecting both passenger and freight services on the East Coast Main Line, and ultimately leave this asset in a good condition for many, many years to come.